Hey, what's up guys? It's Brandon Twitchell with HCR Racing. We're out here at the 2019 Sand Sports Super Show. We were lucky enough to get our hands on the new Polaris RZR Pro XP. We were fortunate enough that they released it as a 64-inch wide, so it gave us the opportunity to capitalize on that and make it a 72-inch machine. So basically, gives you more stability, comfortability, driving experience all the way around. So HCR Racing has been around since basically the first of the Rhino days. We've capitalized on making a trophy truck style suspension that's all fully boxed, internal gusseted for added strength in every situation. We're doing the best we can every day to get all of our new products. Feel free to check it out and give us a call. Look us up on social media. Got all kinds of fun stuff happening. Thank you.